What's happening, guys? I'm Aidan from DK Tune. Today's video is on this gorgeous Golf R. It's a manual as well, so we won't be mapping the TCU this time, but we are doing a ECU map. So the mods that are on this car already, induction kit, we've also got a big intercooler and also the decap pipe as well. This has got a resonator delete, so it's going to be a little bit louder than the norm. But yeah, really nice little car, and we're going to be doing the DK400 map. So it should leave with just over 400 brake horsepower. So what we're going to be doing on the dyno is we're going to take a read off the car, then we're going to be doing data logging and stuff after we've put the map on to make sure everything is working in unison with each other, and then we're going to get the DK source, and hopefully it should leave with just over 400 brake horsepower. Okay guys, so the first port of call is to run it up on the stock or stage 1 map that's on now to see what we are running, give the customer a little bit of clarification as well on what it was running before, and then we're going to be sticking our file on and then data logging, and then obviously the dyno a little bit later on in the end of the video. We're going to show you exactly what we get out of this little beast. Okay guys, so we just run it up on stage 1 with all the mods applied. It's making 373 brake horsepower and 535 Newton meters of torque. So pretty good figures, to be fair. Strong stage 1 basically, with all the mods applied as well. And now we're going to be applying our map onto it. And then we're going to do a little bit of data logging, make sure everything's working in perfect unison with each other. And then we're going to be doing a dyno to see how much we can make. Okay guys, so as you can see, the Golf R is pulling very hard. We got 409 brake horsepower out of it and 550 Newton meters of torque. So before we had very good torque figures, but we've gained quite a bit on the brake horsepower, and it is coming in loads harder now. So early, it's staying at around about 1.9 bar, and then it tails off towards the end. So that's as much as we can really put on the stock turbo with this car. But we might be able to look into certain things with the customer, whether he wants it. But 409 brake horsepower, guys, this car is a weapon. So if you want a DK400 on your Golf R, Audi S3 or Octavia VRS, or if you want a stage 1 on any car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube, and we'll see ya in the next one.